Alright, Dad. Here's your phone. On the side, there's a power button. I'm going to press and hold that till the phone turns on, then I just let go. Phone's powering up now. And then I'm going to show you how to make a phone call. I'll show you how to do a text message. I'll show you how to use Google Maps and show you some other stuff. Alright, here's your phone. Turned on, ready to go. This is the lock screen. At this screen right here, you can't do anything with the phone. Notice how the screen just disappeared? It's because we didn't do anything with it. So to unlock your phone, you can press this side button here. You tap the screen, nothing's going on. So press the side button. This little lock here, tap it, slide up, phone is unlocked. So I've created a couple of icons on your phone. These two icons here. You tap the top one, and it shows you my location on where I am, the location of my phone. So there's me. That's actually a picture of Alex, and it's showing you the location of my house. Whenever you launch an application and you want to go home, you hit this circle button here. It takes you right back to the screen. This other icon here that I created for you that's a little blurry in this video. Let's see if I can get it focused. A little hard to get it focused. There we go. Tap that, it'll call me immediately. Okay, down here at the bottom is this quick launch bar with a couple of applications: phone, text message, internet browser, Google Maps, and your camera. If you want to get to your other applications, see this arrow here? Swipe up. Here's all the apps that are on the phone, and you can go to the Google Play Store that you said you were familiar with and store more apps. So let's hit the home button here, the circle, takes us home. You can drag from the top of the device down, you get this settings bar. Drag it down again, and you get all sorts of options here, one of which right here, do not disturb. You can tap that and say total silence, so that way you won't get any buzzes or beeps at night like you were worried about. If you want to get out of this menu, you can hit the circle button. Takes you back. Phone, tap the phone. We can set up some favorites here, but if you press this buttons down here, it gets it to the keypad. This phone does not currently have cellular service. You're going to have to do that at Verizon, but that's how you get into the phone app. Hit the home button. Here's text messages. Again, you don't have any, so we don't have cellular service on here, but you can add, create some text messages. Hopefully when you're with Brian, he can show you how to do that. Here's the internet browser. Tap that. It's a full-fledged internet browser. You can go to all the different places that you like. Here's the camera. Tap the camera. You can take pictures. I just took a picture of that. If you want to see your pictures, this is the app to see your pictures. Tap this Photos app. There's that picture we just took. I took a picture of myself to add it to your phone for your contacts. This is where you can see all your pictures. If you hit camera, instead of taking a picture, you can hit this video button. So here's a camera icon. I'm in camera mode. If I want to go to make a video, I can go to video mode. Press the red button. I am recording a video. When you're done recording, hit stop. You want to see that video? Go home, swipe up, go to photos. You can up and down to get to the different photos. There you can see the picture. Here's that video. Recording a video. When you're done recording, hit stop. Recording a video. When you're done recording, hit stop. Recording a video. You can see it's playing it over and over again. Recording a video. When you're done recording, if you want to delete it, hit this delete button, move it to trash. Oh, yeah, we'll leave that there. Hit the home button. All right, so those are some of the basics of this phone. When you're with Brian, hopefully he can show you some more advanced ones. I will show you this. If you don't do anything with this phone for like 30 seconds, the screen's gonna shut off. The phone's still on, but the screen's gonna shut off. It's gonna go dark like that. So remember, if you want to open up the phone, we can program this fingerprint sensor to do it for you automatically. We'll do that with Brian. You can tap this button on the side, but notice how if you move the phone, it kind of feels like, oh, you're trying to do something with me. You're trying to wake me up. So you can touch and hold right there. Drag up. I didn't do it enough. Drag up. I've unlocked the phone. If the phone is in that sleep state like this right now, if you take this phone as it is and you do 2 chops, meaning you go 2 chops fast like this, watch what happens, right? 2 chops, here we go. Turns on the flashlight. Want to turn the flashlight off? 2 chops. Flashlight off. So you're walking up to your car, you got to get something, you're looking on the ground for something, you got your phone, 2 chops. Chop, chop. Light turns on. I'll turn the light off, 2 chops. Light goes off. The other nice thing about this phone, that they call these gesture controls, another nice gesture control, is if you take your phone off of that belt clip and you decide you want to take a picture real quick, you don't have to unlock the phone, swipe up, hit the camera icon. I'm going to put your phone back to sleep by hitting this power button. Instead, you can just do this twisting motion. It'll take you right to camera. So the phone's in this standby state. You just do twisting motion. Boom, 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 boom. Camera. Tap on the screen and on the picture where you want it to focus. Take a picture. So let's do that again. I'll press this button, 1 tap, put the phone in standby mode. I want to take a picture, take it off of your belt clip, and then do a twist. So want. Ready to take a picture. Wham. Picture. Even with the phone on like this, those gestures still work. So if the phone is active like this, you can do 2 chops. And then you can 2 chop, turn the light off. You can do that same thing by this menu and hitting the flashlight button on. Flashlight off. Let's see. Right now it's hooked up to my wireless network. Hopefully Brian will show you how to hook it up to your network. And I think that's about it. I'm sure you're going to have lots of questions. But the nice thing is that I have another one of these. I got this phone for Mom. Alex has the same exact one as you, same color and everything. So if you have any questions, you can just call me and say, how do I do this? And I'll have Alex's phone next to me as a reference. And what's the easiest way to call me? Let's unlock your phone again. Tap that right there. That will call me right away. You can tap that right there to see where I am on the planet Earth at any given time. There's going to be lots of other stuff to discover here, but for now I think that's a pretty good start. I'm just going to, well, I got 1 minute left on this video. Remember, this is where you plug in your power cord. This is where you plug in your headphones. Notice the power cord has an orientation, flat side, bevel, top. You got this case. The case has a kickstand if you want to set it up in your shop and listen to some music or something. Kick out the kickstand. And there it is. To close it, slide that piece up, tap it down, clip it in. Alright, I'm sending this tomorrow, so I hope it works out. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, Dad, take it easy.